हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वनप्रीत कौर, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर एंड ट्रेनर बाय प्रोफेशन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वर्क एथिक्स। सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग की जब हम बात करते हैं, वर्क एथिक्स एक बहुत मेजर पैरामीटर है इसका। वर्क एथिक्स क्या है? वर्क एथिक इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग सक्सेसफुल इन योर बिजनेस, जॉब और एनी अदर करियर you are following. It can be any sports, it can be your competitions, it can be your SSC or UPSC preparation. Work ethics will always help you out in your success. You heard of big businessmen such as Mukesh Ambani, Dilip Sanghvi, Hinduja Brothers, Birla's Mittalls. इनके अंदर ऐसा क्या है that they become a great businessman and earn lots of money? What's in them so that they are a successful businessman in India? जिनके मैंने अभी नाम लिए हैं, टॉप 10 बिजनेसमैन हैं 2018 के। व्हाट इज द की कि वो इतने सक्सेसफुल क्यों हैं? ऐसा क्या है उनके अंदर? दे हैव वर्क एथिक्स। वर्क एथिक्स विराट कोहली में भी हैं, धोनी में भी हैं, एक अच्छे स्पोर्ट्समैन में भी होते हैं, एक अच्छे ओलंपिक प्लेयर में भी होते हैं। वर्क एथिक्स ऐसा क्या है जो हर प्रोफेशन, हर जॉब, हर बिजनेस में इंपॉर्टेंट है? एंड विदाउट वर्क एथिक्स वी कांट अचीव एनीथिंग। चाहे वो आपका एसएससी, जॉब, यूपीएससी हो या कुछ भी हो, वर्क एथिक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वर्क एथिक्स सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज है, रूल्स है, डिसिप्लिन है, हार्ड वर्क है, by which you can be focused in your work, in your job, in your business, staying motivated, focused, and you are always dedicated towards your task, your small goals, which will ultimately take you to your final result. For maintaining work ethics or gaining work ethic values in yourself, how can we develop the quality of work ethics in ourselves? Today I will talk about 5 major points you can gain the quality of work ethics so that your professional life, your job, your exams, your preparations, either it's sports or career or business, will become one step more further towards your success. By gaining these values, you can achieve success a bit easier. Point number 1, act as an ambassador of your company. Either you are an employee or a manager or a CEO or the owner of the company. Always maintain a positive attitude toward your company, in the company and in the surroundings and out of the world. Maintain a positive attitude of your company, in the company also and out of the company also. Whenever you are in public interactions or professional interaction, business meetings, parties, you always maintain a positive attitude about your company. Always seek for opportunities outside your scope of job. Try to enhance your qualities of being in that particular company. For example, आप एक डील के लिए क्लाइंट से मिलने जा रहे हैं and you are seeing there is another deal of that same particular client which can help your company for some other business or project. You can also hit that. By this, your employer, your supervisor will see that yes, he is not doing what his job, but also a step further towards its company. By this, you can show your enthusiasm and your commitment towards your growth of the company. By this, your supervisor and your manager will easily gonna see that yes, this is the person who is best for our organization. Point number 2, prioritize your professional responsibilities. इसका क्या मतलब है? अपनी जो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, जो आपकी जॉब प्रोफाइल है, जो आपका स्कोप है, उस काम को हमेशा प्रायोरिटी में रखें। आपकी मीटिंग है, यू शुड बी ऑलवेज एट टाइम। आपकी कॉल्स है, यू शुड बी ऑलवेज एट टाइम। यू शुड नॉट हैसल इन योर मीटिंग्स. You should always be aware what is the agenda of the meeting and you should be always prepared. What are the things you will be required in your meeting, in your calls? Maintain good attendance so that your supervisors can understand yes, he is the dedicated person who is doing his job with responsibility. Point number 3, seek professional development. What does this mean? With the growth of the organization, how can we develop our personal skills, our professional skills in the organization? Improve your work performance, number one. Try to enhance your working skills. Never only focused in hard work. Try to do smart work. If there is some new project, if there is some new task, try to get extra knowledge from your colleagues, from your supervisor, from some trainers, or take some trainings, attend weekend seminars, do some Google research, so that you should have the best knowledge of the project. If you know your project, your business the best, you will do your work also the best. For example, a good salesperson is the one who know each and everything about its product. वो सेल्स पर्सन जिसको सारी नॉलेज हो अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, और इवन जो बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट के अंदर है उसके साथ कंपैरिजन के बारे में उसको नॉलेज हो, वही पर्सन होता है जो सबसे अच्छी सेल्स कर सकता है. सेल्स पर्सन इज द वन फ्रॉम विच वी कैन सी दैट एवरी डे he needs to learn from the market and then sell his the product with the best sales. The one who is a good researcher, good knowledgeable person is the one who is the good salesperson. Point number 4, review your work. So what is this? Review your work. So before submitting any of your project or any deal or finalizing any deal, you need to just give a one go through before submitting it. Always be double sure with the quality of the work. Quality always matters. For example, you are in a restaurant and the food is not looking good in front of you, or the food doesn't taste good in front of you. Then you make up your mind, yes, this restaurant is very bad. Assure whatever product service you are giving to your customer. Always double check it and maintain timeliness. One of the major point in work ethics to maintain time. Be very time specific. The person who respects time, time respects that person. Nobody likes to be delayed. For example, we are using Ola, Uber services, cab services. If our cab comes late, we feel very much annoyed and we make a perception in our mind that yes, this company, this service center is not good. Time is also very important factor to get the client, to convince the client and customers. Point number 5, major point. No matter your services are best, no matter your work is best, your product is best, you are on time. But 5th point, show respect to others. The way of talking, the way of providing the services, the product, everything should give respect to your clients and customers. Giving respect is one of the major point in work ethics. You can see any of the big businessmen in our country. Everyone give respect and very polite to their clients and customers and to their employees too. They know how to talk, how to convince their client in any situation, either good or bad. They always maintain respect between the conversation, between the meetings or anything in the business. So same is expected from each and every employee of the company. Speak politely to and about your workplace. Keep your interaction professional to show respect to others. So these are the major 5 points to maintain work ethics, to gain the quality of work ethics in you, like the big businessmen of India. Thank you so much. Hope you liked this video. Keep blooming your lives with me. So this is the 4th part of soft skill training. Like the video, share the video. Stay tuned for further videos for soft skills.